Welcome to Profitable Dashboards, a program where we're all trying to successfully and profitably leverage dashboards in our business. We are in the second track of the program on this skills track, and we are starting with Data Studio Essentials. As the name suggests, it's whatever you need to know before we begin the Data Studio Masterclass and become a master or ninja or expert. In the next 9 to 10 weeks, we talk about dashboard planning, data connectors, data modeling, data visualization, several sessions on each one of these, report interactions, sharing and security, tracking, report management, working with clients, and finally, BigQuery and next steps. But right now, the essentials, quickly, we want to cover almost everything briefly, okay? Data Studio Masterclass, Data Studio Essentials. Today's objective is, first of all, quickly cover the basics, absolute basics of Data Studio. You might find some of these very simple, but we'll move quickly. And secondly, I want to give you a high-level overview of most of the key features in Data Studio. Whatever we are going to use and learn in detail later on, we're going to at least see them by creating a simple e-commerce dashboard from absolute scratch, right? I have the dashboard ready. I'll show it to you, and they'll side by side, we start from scratch and rebuild the exact same dashboards today in 60 to 90 minutes.